I'm Angel Krishna, studying BCA final year at KCS Kasnadar College of Arts and Science. Today we are discuss about transmission modes. Transmission modes decide how data is transmitted between two computers. The binary data in the form of zeros and ones can be sent in two different ways: parallel transmission and serial transmission. Serial transmission consists of two different ways: asynchronous serial transmission and synchronous serial transmission. Parallel transmission. The binary bit zeros and ones are organized into group of n bit each. Both sender and the receiver are connected in parallel with the equal number of data line. Both computers distinguish between high order and low order data line. The sender sends all the bit at once on all time. Because the data line is equal to the number of bits in a group or data frame, a complete group of bits is sent in one go. The advantage of parallel transmission is high speed. Disadvantage is cost of wires. The mechanism for parallel transmission is conceptually simple one. Use n wires to send n bits at one time. Serial transmission. In serial transmission, bits are sent one after another in a queue manner. Serial transmission requires only one communication channel. Serial transmission can be either synchronous or asynchronous. Asynchronous serial transmission. It is named so because there is no importance of timing. Data bits have specified pattern and they recognize the start and end data bit. For example, a 0 is prefixed on every data bit or one or more ones are added to the end. This bit 0 is called as start bit and ones are called as end bit. Two continuous data frames may have gap between them. Asynchronous serial transmission. Timing in synchronous transmission as important as there is no mechanism allowed to recognize start and end data bit. There is no pattern or prefix suffix method. Data bits are sent in burst mode without maintaining gap between bytes. Single burst of data bit may contain a number of bytes. Therefore, timing is very important. It is up to the receiver to recognize the separate bit into bytes. The advantage of synchronous transmission is high speed and it has no overhead of extra header and footer bytes as in asynchronous transmission. Thank you.